On July 13, 2026, using multiple one-way attack surface drones, CENTCOM forces successfully struck a submarine and ship maintenance facility in Iran. 3 Corsair unmanned surface vessels hit the port at Bandar Abbas Naval Base, marking the first time American forces have employed sea drones in combat operations. Last night's strikes degraded Iran's ability to continue attacking commercial shipping. The Corsair is Saronic Technologies' medium unmanned surface vessel, engineered to extend naval reach without placing sailors in harm's way. Measuring approximately 24 feet in length, it is capable of speeds exceeding 35 knots, an operational range of more than 1,000 nautical miles, and can carry payloads of up to 1,000 pounds. Its modular architecture allows it to support intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, logistics, electronic warfare, and precision strike missions while operating autonomously or under human supervision. That capability was recently demonstrated in combat when U.S. Central Command employed 3 Corsair unmanned surface vessels in a strike against Iran's submarine and ship maintenance facility at Bandar Abbas Naval Base. The operation marked the first known offensive combat use of American unmanned surface vessels, highlighting the growing role of autonomous maritime systems in modern naval warfare.